restoration. Here we have a Sunbeam Alpine, which is also fitted to the Sunbeam Tiger steering wheel. You can see the wooden rim's been taped on with tape here. When we remove the tape, it might well fall off in two halves. The boss, as you can see, is a bit missing at the back here, and there's previous repaired cracks here in the boss. The rim, we'll take the tape off and see if it comes off. If it comes off, we'll glue it back on and remove the lacquer and prepare it to be re-polyester lacquered. The boss, we might try and repair it. Alternatively, we've got a mould which is a three-part mould, quite complex, that remakes this part completely in its entirety. But that's really down to cost and how much the customer wants to spend on the wheel. But that's Sunbeam Alpine and Tiger from the mid-1960s. Steering wheel restoration. Here we have a Sunbeam Alpine steering wheel and dashboard. Now, we've re-veneered the dashboard. It's a plastic dashboard originally, and we've re-veneered it with walnut veneer, burr walnut, and we've re-lacquered it with polyester lacquer. The steering wheel, these are always dark, the wood on them, and we've stripped the original polyester lacquer, and we've mended a few splits and issues with the wheel, and you can see how they're mitered together here. These were splitting across the miters and across the seam in the middle, and we've glued it back together. We stained it a little bit to match the dashboard because the customer wants a good match, and re-lacquered it with new polyester lacquer. We've also fixed this boss at the back, the plastic around the boss here. These are often cracked and perished, and they shrink quite considerably across this area. And this one we managed to fix, but we have got a mould that recasts this if necessary. We only do it if necessary, as it is a relatively expensive operation. But that's a Sunbeam Alpine, also fits Tigers, and dates from the mid-1960s.